Happy Thanksgiving Day. Today we are gonna go to my aunt's house and all of our family gets together there. And we just spend time and eat, and I'm so excited. And make sure you give this video a like and subscribe. See you guys in a little bit when we leave. Gotta always have this. Look how good our tree looks. Look how big this tree is. That took like hours. I actually have a time lapse of it. I might put it in this video, because why not? So we're bringing this. I think that's like a broccoli casserole. It's actually so good. And then green bean casserole. And then we have like this dip in the garage that's in the fridge. Yeah, I don't really know what else. It's cold. It's like 20 degrees. Bennett!
Hi.
Look what Bennett made at school. Wow, good job.
Wow, that's cool.
Comment what your favorite holiday is. What's yours, Bennett?
Christmas.
Mine's Christmas too. What's your second favorite? 3 years later.
Easter. Actually, no, Thanksgiving.
Mine's Halloween.
Actually, yeah, Halloween, definitely.
Yeah. Oh, he's leaving.
I'm so confused. It says that, so we paid...
Wrigley.
You got a Ricky boy.
Yeah.
I love you, Ricky. Here. Does Sammy need a coat?
No.
And then we got Sammy right there, the black
This
one.
fine this morning.
And then I'm heading over to Curious Tucker. Tucker.
So in our family, we actually have Thanksgiving. What? So actually in our family, we actually have Thanksgiving for lunch. So we're heading over to my aunt's house. It's like a 20-30 minute drive.
He wants to drive, but he can't.
Nope. It's like a small house with like so many people, so it's gonna be
Yeah,
crammed.
it's a small house and we have to fit like 30 people in it.
Yeah, when we have a bunch of other big houses,
I
but
mean, the story, like...
we stopped at the gas station to get refills for my parents. It's so cold. So I just gained 10 pounds. Literally, I had birds. About to go get more, honestly.
I made this.
And he built this. He's so creative.
Yeah, just like my cousin Hendrix's magnetiles.
Say cheese. So we just got home. Sorry, I didn't film much. Like, there was just a lot of family there, and all we did was eat, and then we played a couple games, and then we just watched football. I had 4 plates of food. My stomach is so massive. Well, I hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving. I did, for sure. And make sure you comment your favorite holiday. It helps me get to know you. And if you liked today's video, make sure you give it a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.